Let's fix your iPhone 14 camera if it's shaking or vibrating. Now, if you just got an iPhone 14 and you're using apps like Snapchat or WhatsApp, and you find that whenever you open up the camera here, it starts shaking or vibrating like this, or if you're in Snapchat, it does the same thing. It gives you sort of a shaking, vibrating, something like that. I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the very first thing that we'll do is we'll head into our App Store, and we want to tap on our profile at the top right here and just swipe down so that you can get to the option to update all. So we're going to refresh that and update all of our apps. Once you've done that, let's head into our settings here and then tap on General and Software Update. So you want to make sure that you can see it's 16.0.2 right now. So you want to make sure you go through the steps to download and install the latest iOS version and the latest app version, because sometimes this is just a bug in the app itself. Now, once you've done that and gone through those different steps, we can hop out of here and we can scroll down until we find Camera. There's Camera. So we can tap on here, and if you're on certain things like, let's go down Smart HDR, we can turn that off. Lens correction, we can turn that off. Try to just turn some of these different effects and features off, because they could be causing interference with your camera and causing various issues. So try to maybe turn all of these different features off and see if it still has the issue. And if it fixes it, that's perfect. If it doesn't, you can just turn them back on afterwards. Now, the next thing that we will do is we will swipe out of here and go up to General there. And then we're going to go down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then we're going to tap Reset here. And on here, we're going to tap Reset All Settings. Now, potentially there's a bug in your camera that's causing that shaking and vibrating and everything, and resetting all those settings will help you to be able to kind of refresh everything if there's that bug causing it. Once you've done those steps, of course, that will involve just shutting down your phone and then restarting it, which should help as well. If none of these fixes it and you're still having issues with that camera on your iPhone 14, then I would just take it into Apple. Potentially it's just a buggy new phone and you want to exchange it for a different phone. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.